How to buy Solana on Solflare. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Solflare Wallet app on your device and sign into your account. You'll be seeing this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on this option over here and then tap on Buy Sol. After you tap on Buy Sol, tap on Continue. You will be headed to another website where you must select the amount of money. You can select the currency from here. This is the fiat currency. You can select the currency of your choice and then select Solana. So you can just go ahead and select Solana, and you can see that the options might not be available in each country. So go ahead and select the most used currency. So you can just go ahead and do this, and you can select the payment method, credit card, debit card, or Google Pay you may select, and you can also select the automated clearinghouse and PayPal as well. So after you do this, just go ahead and tap on Buy Sol. You'll be connected to your Vancha account. You can verify your identity and buy the Solana on Solflare. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.